Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand the process of EMandate, which is part of NACH as initiated by NPCI. So, Jainam Software provides complete digital platform to financiers for collecting the loan repayment using NACH. That is, financiers can avail this facility to collect money from borrower's bank using the NACH solution. Okay, so let's understand how it works in Genome Software. So financer who is using Genome Software triggers the EMandate process. Now this EMandate is initiated in Genome Software and the message is sent to borrower to fill the form. Borrower opens Genome Software mobile app or SMS and gets the link. Borrower clicks the link and a digital form is opened. Borrowers provide the more information there and submits the form. That request goes to financier's bank. From there to NPCI. NPCI sends it further to borrower's bank for approval. Borrower's bank authorizes the request and sends response back to NPCI, and then it is sent further back to financiers bank, and then it is communicated to Jainam Software. Now once this request is authorized, a payment schedule is done, and then directly from borrower's account, that is from borrower's bank to the financier's bank, a transaction will get initiated automatically as per the repayment schedule. Okay, so this is little complex, but it is made very easily available in Genome Software. So we are going to understand how it works in Genome Software with a quick demo. Okay, so let's get started. Knowing the fact that you already aware of a lot of facts like how to create groups, how to create customers, how to create loans. Having that much basic understanding, I'm going to search one loan here, and then I'm going to get one option here, Auto-Debit. I already submitted, I clicked submit, I clicked Auto-Debit button here so that the form is already initiated and submitted. And as demo, I'm going to again click set Auto-Debit. I click here and I click yes just to acknowledge that. I'm just waiting for the response, and then you can see the response is sent and SMS is also sent. Now what I'm just waiting from customer's mobile. Here you can see that the SMS is sent to customer from Jainam, and then customers will click on that specific link, a form will be opened, and then this is the EMandate form. Here financiers will have a company logo, the company name, customer name, how much, what is the period, what is account number, how much to pay, and all that details. Now net banking and debit card, these two options are available as part of EMandate. And then once all details are provided, then just verify and continue, and then EMandate will be set. As soon as this is set, then what will happen here, instead of submitted, active information or active status will be showed. And then what will happen, as part of installment tracker, as per the schedule, the auto debit, that is this much amount, will get automatically transferred from borrower's account to financer account. Okay, and then as soon as transaction is done, the information can be seen in the transactions. For example, here it shows that received by cash. So once the amount is transferred using EMandate, it will show the exact transactions number so that it can be reconciled with the bank statement. Okay, so this is all active. A lot of customers already using this. So we recommend that you just log into Genome Software and take a benefit of this digital and automated collection platform. All right. Thank you so much for watching Jainam Software. Please subscribe Jainam Software for upcoming features and videos, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.